Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to add money to your Amazon account in 2025. Whether you're prepping for holiday shopping, managing your budget, or just want to build up your balance for faster checkouts, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. If you aren't, simply go to the Amazon website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click on Accounts and Lists. This is your gateway to all your account settings. Next, scroll down and select Your Account. From there, look for the Gift Cards and Amazon Balance option. It's usually easy to spot. Now, click on Add Funds to your account. In 2025, Amazon has made this process even smoother with updated interfaces and more payment options. You'll then be prompted to choose your payment method. Options might include credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, or even digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Select the one that works best for you, enter the amount you want to add, start with something small if you're testing it out, and review the details. Hit Confirm to process the transaction. Most of the time, the funds will appear in your account balance almost instantly, but it could take a minute or two depending on your bank. Pro tip: double-check for any fees associated with adding funds, as these can vary by region or payment type. And just like that, you're all set. Adding money to your Amazon account is a great way to avoid last-minute payment issues and earn rewards on eligible purchases. If you run into any hiccups, Amazon's help section is always there to assist. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.